Welcome to a ViewSonic question and answer segment. My name is Ray, and today we're actually talking about some of our smart projectors. Specifically, in front of me, we actually have the entire M lineup of portable projectors, as well as our X10 4KE, which is one of our X series high-end home projectors, but this one is also considered portable. Part of the reason why we include Wi-Fi on these is for screen mirroring. So that is supported on both iOS and Android. One important thing to say about screen mirroring, and this applies to anything that you're screen mirroring from a portable device. If you try to say screen mirror something like Netflix to one of these devices, that is locked out. That's not actually a hardware limitation of the projector or anything like that. That's actually a copyright license that Hollywood puts in place that you can't just mirror, say, Netflix content or Hulu content to a device. They want you to be able to do that over an interface that they have approved. An improved interface would be like HDMI as an example. One other thing that we get a lot of questions of, can you install Netflix on the projector itself? Yes. There is an app store that runs on these projectors. It's called Aptoid. It is basically an open source free version of Google Play's library. We don't have full Google Play Store functionality on these due to licensing, but the Aptoid store will give you versions of a lot of those applications that you can install natively to the projector. And we can actually show you exactly how you install that on one of these. If you want to get Netflix running or any other app installed on one of these M series portable projectors, first you're going to want to start at the main menu and navigate to the Apps Center. From there, you should see Aptoid and any other apps that you have already installed. Aptoid is pre-installed on all of these projectors, so that should basically always be your first option. If you open up the Aptoid app, you'll be greeted with a bunch of different options. As Netflix is actually one of the most popular, it's typically going to be in the editor's choice, as we see here. So we're just going to navigate over to Entertainment and then Netflix. To then get Netflix installed on this projector, there is an installation button. Tell it to install. It'll then download and install the app for you. Once the application is installed, you'll get the option to open it. If you then want to get connected to your account with Netflix, you want to use the sign in option in the upper right corner. From there, enter your information and you should be good to go.